Going over gold futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, about to dip into negative MACD territory. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge, and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $158.45, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $162.84, and my stop loss is at $157.16. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $164.59, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $159.77, and my stop loss is at $165.93. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 29% chance to climb between 0 to 2%, a 14% chance to climb between 2 to 4%, and to the downside, it has a 57% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.